I got this for a birthday celebration. And then my parents were like, I don't know about that for a birthday celebration. And the pull date was before St. Patrick's Day. So I ended up trying it today. It is Trader Joe's Blarney Scone, which is an Irish soda bread. I'll pull it out and show you. I'll have a little bit more. I've had over half a pound of this so far today. So why not have a little bit more? It's really good. Look at that tasty deliciousness. How do I eat it? I don't heat it up and I don't put anything on it. I'm kind of, yeah, look at our dirty sink. Using the same knife to cut it that I did earlier. Now, should I do it? Okay. Happy early St. Patrick's Day. This is my food celebration. Okay, so it's really tasty. I don't know if this is what Irish soda bread tastes like in Ireland. One of the things I'll find out when I go to Ireland eventually. So, let's see. So that is approximately 3.5 ounces of Irish soda bread as a pre-bed snack. And let's go with it. No, not that one. This one. Should we go with the Snoqualmie ice cream? This one is mint chocolate chip or slow churned dryers butter pecan. Butter pecan. Oh, I went to Baskin Robbins recently. Maybe I'll use one of their spoons. Got this in the scoop. I got my mom some mint chocolate chip. And me. So, this is my early St. Patrick's Day celebration because I'm supposed to be on my weight reduction part of my boxing training, and this isn't really helping with that. It's more like an elongated weight gain. But I got the common cold, and my exercise levels are back to normal. But I don't know if I got a pecan in there yet. Where's a pecan? I see one. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. This is one of the weirdest videos I've made. In a very, very good way, I think. Okay. That's good. I'm gonna eat these separately. I really like the Blarney Scone. Alright, and then I'm gonna put the rest of this back in there. And then this back in here. So, one of the things I aim to figure out when in Ireland, does Irish soda bread taste like Trader Joe's Blarney Scone? It's the Blarney Scone. I hope to find out. And happy early St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day. This will be delayed in posting. Happy St. Patty's. Oh, if I'm doing that. and happy. They go to sleep at night. But this is Trinity, the red shamrock that we got on St. Patrick's Day, 2020. And this is Glory, the shamrock we got on St. Patrick's Day, 2020. And both are alive and doing well. We need to put more dirt in here. It'd help. But work in progress. But yeah. Happy St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day will be a year they've been with us.